Hi and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about how to use the course downloads, which is really essential for you to be able to work in Photoshop along with me. And then I'm going to show you how to open them and save them as well. So to use the course downloads, you want to go to your course dashboard, and it should look similar to this, and you're going to click on this tab that says course content, and that's going to bring you into the lectures here. But the place where you want to look for the downloads is going to be right here. And you'll notice it's going to stand out because it's highlighted in blue, but it'll also have like a .jpg or a .psd at the end of it, so you can kind of tell that it's going to be an image file. And it'll be right below the lecture that you're working on. So if you're watching lecture 4, and these numbers might change, by the way, as I add or subtract videos, but say you're in lecture 4 and you're on assignment 1 and we're talking about repairing blemishes, you'll pause the video, you'll jump over into this course content page. So in other words, you'll be like, you click this and you're in the video. Then you can see that it says resources available. You can either click here or you can just click on this little menu button and it will bring you back into the menu here, and then you'll see the download underneath here. Or you can go all the way back to the dashboard and you'll be where we were just talking about. And you're just going to click on this link and it brings up this opening window. Yours may just automatically download it and drop it down here in the corner. If that's the case, you can usually go down here and click on it to open it, or sometimes you'll have a little drop down up here, or other times you'll have to go to your downloads folder and find the image based on that name and open it up. But most of you will probably have this dialog box here, and mine is nice. It's defaulting to opening it with Adobe Photoshop. And if that's the case, you just click OK and it will open it right up. If you want to, for some reason, save it onto your computer, you can click Save File, and then when you click OK, it should ask you where you want to save it. And a lot of the times people will just save it right to their desktop to make it easy to find, but you could also create a special folder for it too, for all of the files if you wanted to, and that would be fine too. But generally speaking, you're just going to want to open it straight into Photoshop. You click OK, and then wait a second. If you see this little pop-up, you can just ignore it for now and just click OK. And there you go. There's your thing. And now this is ready to work on. Okay. Let me just close this out real quick. Let's say that you just saved this to your downloads file. If you're in this screen, and we'll talk about more about the different startup screens, but if you're in this screen, then you'll want to go to Open, and you'll want to go to your downloads and then find it here. You can usually even search, and this image is called the Healing Brush Tool, so you should be able to type in healing here and bring it up. So you can open it from your downloads, or if you're not in this screen, if you're in the regular start screen that looks like this, then you can just click Control-O, and this will bring you up the same menu, and again navigate to your downloads or wherever you saved it. If you saved it on your desktop, go to your desktop and then open it up from here. If you forget the keyboard shortcut Control-O to open this screen, you can always go to File and Open, and that'll do the same thing. Okay, so I want you to go find that image. Mine happens to be right here. Click it. Again, ignore this, just click OK. And that'll get you into that image, because in the next lecture we're going to have our first assignment where we're going to clean up this image. And it's going to be really fun, really easy, and you're going to be blown away. Okay, so go get this image, download it, and I'll see you in the next lecture.